y'all, welcome to a new video. My name is Mika. For those who are new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So in today's video, I am going to be cooking a new recipe. I'm going to be making this honey garlic chicken rice bowl type of dish. I wanted to try something like different because I got tired of like cooking like the same old shit all the time. So I'm going to be doing something new. So just bear with me. I gotta go get my, oh, here's my phone right here. So I need to like pull up this recipe. I got it from Pinterest. So I need to pull it up. And then you guys are also gonna be seeing me film with my phone because I'm gonna make a reel for it. So yeah. Alright, so let me go to my profile. I'm gonna save. Let's go to food. 20-minute honey garlic chicken. So this is it right here, y'all. Yeah. So this is what I'm going to make. So alright, so they use boneless thighs, but I'm gonna use boneless chicken breast. What else? I hate when they do like a lot of like rating. I just want to get straight to the recipe. But sometimes though I do read what they say like in the beginning because they do be dropping gems. So yeah. So okay. Alright, so I got my chicken. I need my cornstarch. Alright, so I have my cornstarch. Yeah, I can see this. Alright, the chicken's in the refrigerator, so I get that. Alright, salt and pepper. And then I need my vegetable oil. What is this? Okay, this is vegetable oil. Alright, so I got vegetable oil, y'all. And then I need some my chicken stock. So this is the chicken stock I got. So I got that. I need rice vinegar. I know I bought some of that. Yeah, I had to organize my own cabinet. It was atrocious. So here's the rice vinegar. What else? Like soy sauce. So I have the soy sauce. Let's see if y'all can see this. I got the Publix brand. Alright. Yep. And then now I'm from the refrigerator. I just got to get the other stuff. So I'm going to go grab that real quick. Alright. And then also too, for ingredients, honey. Yep. Alright, so I got the chicken and I'm about to get ready to cut up the chicken and wash it. And I want to cut it up in like little I want to say like bite-sized pieces because I want it to be like do really good when I like coat it in the cornstarch. So I'm going to do like small like strips almost, kind of. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's what I'm gonna do. And then I need to cut the oven on. I'm gonna start the rice, and then I'm going to bake some broccoli. I wonder, do I have a steam bowl? I don't know, but I'm just gonna put some broccoli in like aluminum foil to create like a little steam pocket or whatever, because I'm gonna do some broccoli for babe. I don't eat green vegetables, so I won't be having any broccoli in my chicken bowl, okay?
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party, I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn you on. I wanna let you. That's the least I'ma do. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing your eyes, you feel it. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing your eyes, you feel it. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Can you feel me, baby, can you feel me, baby? Feel me, baby. 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 No party, I don't just wanna chill with you. No, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn you on. I wanna let you. That's the least I'ma do. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing your eyes, you feel it. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing your eyes, you feel it. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Feel me, baby. Can you feel me, baby? Feel me, baby. Can you feel me, baby?
All right, y'all. So I didn't show this because, baby, it is so hard trying to film with this camera for YouTube and then my phone trying to make a reel at the same time. So what you didn't get to see me do was I did mix up the sauces in this bowl. So the sauce the sauce had soy sauce, honey, rice vinegar, and chicken stock, and I mixed that all together and I poured it over the chicken. So I let it come to like a little boil, and then now it's low and it's simmering. See, and I'm just supposed to cook this until like the chicken gets pink. I mean, it's not pink, not it gets pink, but I'm pretty sure the chicken is done because I kind of like cook the chicken a little bit longer than what the directions said, because baby, I don't play around with that chicken. Okay, so I cooked it a little bit longer to ensure that it was done before I started adding the sauce and stuff. But I think it, you know, It looked like it might be done, y'all. If I'm sick the next day, you know what happened. But I think it's pretty much done. And then the chicken are cut up in smaller pieces, so you can actually cook them thoroughly, really good, and evenly. If you use that big hunks of chicken, then that's when it takes a little bit longer to cook. But these were, what I liked about the chicken breasts, they were in a little bag, so they were kind of thin, so you didn't need to like beat on the meat or whatever. So it's already smushed up, and you just cut it up. And yeah, so I wanted to like serve this over like my new dishes or whatnot. I ordered some new dishes from this place called Our Place, but they're not gonna be here until tomorrow, y'all. So yeah. So if I have any leftovers and the dishes come tomorrow, then I will eat it in my dish. But I am going to have to eat this over my plate. Well, I got a bowl, but it's like a small bowl, y'all. Let me show y'all my bowl while I'm like waiting for the chicken to be done, I guess, when I already think it's done. So these are like the bowls that I have now. I feel like, you know, they're not as big as the bowls that I actually ordered. I ordered like some dinner bowls. And then this definitely isn't big enough, but I like it because it's cute. Okay, it's cute. So, see, look at that. Look at that cute little heart bowl. It got some depth to it. I eat a lot of dessert in here, like when I do ice cream and stuff. So, yeah. So, yeah, I'll probably eat out the white bowl. Toe. Yeah, I'll just eat out of this white bowl. And then later on, I'll do, or next time, hopefully when I'm cooking, I'll be able to use my new dishes. But next time I cook, I am going to be cooking shrimp spring rolls. But I'm going to make my shrimp be a little Cajun to have a little, you know, spice to it. So that's what I'm going to be doing. But, yep, I just kind of wanted to tell y'all what was happening with the food and what I did and what y'all missed.